DoorDash is now offering buy here, pay here services. You can now order your Big Mac from McDonald's and break that payment down into 4 payments. You can now order you a $40, $50 DoorDash order and opt to pay that back over time, man. You can break that down into smaller payments, man. And boy, we'll talk about it. Listen, stay tuned. We got a lot to discuss. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, man. We giving you real life content every day. This is what we do. We going up, baby. 2K, we almost there. As always, I appreciate you guys. Good morning, YouTube. What's the word, baby? What's the word out there? Monday morning, peace and blessings to everybody out there. Monday morning, we got to get up and be great. You know what I'm saying? We got to get up and reach for our goals and all that good stuff. It is 6:30 in the morning, man. I'm pulling up to my first order of the day, picking up this Starbucks order right here. I took this en route to my Walmart order at 6:45, so I'm headed to Walmart for my 6:45 order. Figured I'd stop and add on this DoorDash. You guys know how I do it. Thank you as well. Just like that, YouTube. Got our order. All right, baby, that first order is dropped off at the local hospital right there. I just dropped off to that young lady just a couple days ago as well. She likes her Starbucks in the morning. So now it is 6:40 and I am headed up the street to my 6:45 Walmart pickup. First Walmart order of the day. Only for about 16, 17 bucks, I believe this was. It's only set to take a half an hour. Sorry about that. It's only set to take a half an hour. You know, they just try to pitch a good one at me just now. As soon as I delivered this DoorDash order, it was for a Walmart order for like 40 bucks. I tried to hop on it, but I guess another driver snagged it before me. That would have been great. I wish I could have. I'm kind of upset that I didn't get that order, but no big deal. I'm pretty sure some other great stuff will come my way. No big deal. Peace and blessings to you all, man. Top of the morning, home team. Let's get up, home team. Stand up. We got to get up and shoot for them stars, baby. It's a new week. Let's get it, man. Let's be great. First quarter's coming to an end here. This is the last week of March, so let's tap in. Make sure we are aligned with our goals and where we want to be in life. So on that note, I'll tap in with you guys in a minute. Just like that, man, I'm leaving this Walmart just rocking and rolling early in the morning. You guys know how I give it up, baby. You guys know this is a quick order, man. I'll have these 3 orders dropped off in no time. Probably be headed to get my children off to school after that, man. And you know, what a blessing it is. What a blessing it is. I'm just sitting there loading up my vehicle just now with my order, and was approached by a young fella, man. Asked me, was I life with Quan? Apparently, you know, he tunes into my content. You know, that's amazing. That's amazing. That's like music to my ears. That's like the second or third time that has happened to me already, man. We becoming a household name out here, baby. We inspiring and motivating others out here to get up and get it, baby. That's what it's all about. But on that note, I appreciate you guys for all the love and the support. Y'all have a blessed one out there. I'll tap in with you guys once I complete this order. Just like that, first order is complete. On to the next. 3 minutes away, baby, right around the corner. Order number 2 dropped off just like that. I love helping out our senior citizens, man. I really do. I really do. And that first Walmart order is complete. That only took me 20 minutes to do. It is 7:05. I arrived at 6:45 for that order. And, you know, I just snatched up another order, 2 in 1, for about 13 bucks. Only going about 4 miles in total. So right around the corner from this first pickup. And then I'll be headed back to that Starbucks where I just completed the Dunkin' Donuts order earlier. So let's go. They still throwing money. Still throwing money at me out here on this dreary Monday morning. It's cold, it's rainy, but we up and at it, baby. That's what it's all about. We shooting for the stars. I'm trying to motivate you guys to do the same, baby. It's your boy Quan. Let's get it. Alrighty, we got that order just like that, baby. This is a great spot right here. If you ever in town, man, Bud's on the Hudson. They got some great brunch and stuff like that. But anyway, 1, 2, 3, got that order. Swinging around the corner to pick up the second order at Starbucks, and then we'll get them both dropped off. Let's go grab this order, baby. 1, 2, 3, like clockwork. That's what I'm saying, baby. You know? Alrighty, got both of my orders. Off to this first drop off, 5 minutes away.
Rachel D says, leave it door. Leave it in the cabinet outside the door next to the flagpole.
Right there, I got you, Rachel. Got you safe and sound, baby. Safe and sound, baby. Alrighty, just like that, both of my orders are dropped off. It is now 7:30 exactly, and I'm headed to go get my child off to school now. Perfect timing, baby, perfect timing. You know, I got another Walmart reservation already scheduled for 8:45, so that might be it until then, or I might get my child off to school, and we'll see what's out there. We never know. These orders continue to keep popping up left and right now. They going crazy. DoorDash is definitely ringing off the hook this morning. That's a good thing. That's a good thing, though. Money's coming, baby. It's money out here to be made. So apparently, DoorDash is now offering buy now, pay later services, man. And I read this article last night. I believe it was from the Wall Street Journal. And you know, nothing seems to amaze me these days, man. It's crazy. But apparently, you can now purchase an order, buy an order through DoorDash, and you can pay that order back over time. They have partnered with, you know, the company Klarna. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Klarna, but Klarna is one of those platforms that, you know, basically are lenders to anyone out there. They'll become a lender to you. I'm not sure of the criteria. I'm pretty sure you just got to have some type of income coming in, and they will basically, you know, fund your purchase for you, and then you will repay them by breaking down payments over time, man. And it's just crazy to me to see that, you know, this is something that DoorDash is now offering. They make it so easy for us to be consumers, man. They make it so nice and convenient for you to sit right at home in the comfort of your own home. You don't even if you don't got the money up front, they want you to spend the money before you even got it. You know, and it's crazy when you think about it. And you got to really have some, you know, some structure, some discipline going on in order to, you know, not fall a victim to these ways, man. It's just ridiculous if you ask me. I mean, I know I do this work. I do DoorDash, so I want, you know, it'll be in my best interest for as much orders as possible to come through, as more of the population out here using these services to, you know, to prosper as much as possible. But, you know, man, I'm all about what's right, man. And that's just ain't right if you ask me. I get it. It can come in clutch for some people that really don't got it, really need a meal or something like that. But gotta be better ways out there to get yourself a meal, man. I mean, I will definitely not recommend purchasing an item. I mean, inflation and all the other costs of using these services, it's already extremely expensive to, you know, even just purchasing a McDonald's order. You go ahead and purchase a McDonald's order. For one, I'm pretty sure the prices on these platforms are not the same as the prices as if you walk into these restaurants. So if I was to order a Big Mac meal through DoorDash platform, that meal would probably be, you know, somewhere $11, $12 or something like that. When if you go to the store, it might be $8 or $9, or just, you know, that's not, you know, exact numbers, but it's just an example of how these numbers are inflated using these services already. And then you got the taxes and the delivery fees associated with these platforms already. So on top of that, to go ahead and pay, break your order down into payments, man, you're paying Klarna interest fee for one. And, you know, this is something that you'll be paying for weeks to come, if not months to come. And imagine having a freaking Klarna account on your credit report because, you know, you didn't pay off this Red Lobster order that you ordered from, you know, a few months ago that cost that cost $100 and something for the order, and then now it's probably $200, if not more, due to interest rates and things of that nature. It's just crazy if you ask me, man. It blew my mind when I read that article, and I immediately thought, you know, I'm gonna spread this information to the people immediately. I don't know if you guys are aware of this. If you heard anything about it, let me know. But man, anything, you can order anything from a push of a button right from your own home now, right? It is crazy, man. It is really crazy. So I guess how Klarna works, man, I guess they do have an interest-free payment option. You know, I guess it's like the 4 payment options. If you break it down into 4 payments, it's probably, you know, once a week, or I'm not sure how it works, the schedule. But, you know, if you use that option, the 4 payment option, then there's no interest fee associated with it. But for the longer term payment options, you know, they have interest fees of up to 33.99%. Up to 33.99%, obviously probably depending on your credit history and things of that nature. But, you know, it's just sick because they really capitalize off of people with poor credit, man. And you know, it's messed up. They make it that much harder to get ahead, man. And credit is so important that, you know, we all need good credit. Credit is one of those things that I struggle with. I have my moments, man. I do good at times, and then next thing you know, it's on the back burner. And that's kind of how it's been with me lately, man. And because you know, just life been happening. But, you know, it's one of those things where we got the power of changing, man. If you can learn credit, you don't have to pay anyone. You don't have to pay any services to repair your credit for you. This is things that you can learn on your own and begin today with, you know, building your credit back up. And me, that's where I'm at with it. I just been, you know, in a rut lately, but I'm trying to build myself back up, get a hold, get back responsible. And so I'm able to prosper, continue to evolve and grow in the best way and shape and health possible. So, you know, that's where I'm at with it. But it just blew my mind to see that. Honestly, I don't recommend anyone out there, you know, to each his own. Being that I do this work out here, I don't know if it's the right thing, that morally intact for me to you know, be going against services that DoorDash offer, being that I do this work out here and I do depend on the DoorDash platform. But you know, what's right is right, man, and I'm always speak what's in my heart, man. And I don't recommend anyone out there, you know, to use these platforms to, you know, a buy now pay later type of deal to order a meal, man. If it's that serious where you need a meal or something like that, you know, try getting out there to use the DoorDash or Uber platform to make a couple dollars to pay for the meal or something. That's what I recommend. If you know you're going to be, you know, planning to order something out that day or in advance, man, just try to find out a way to cover the expense of that, you know, just so you don't have to, you know, risk going into debt. And because Klarna does report to the credit bureau. So, you know, if you get behind on those payments to pay for your McDonald's order, then guess what? You know, it's a good chance you'll be seeing that pop up on your credit report, man. And that'll just be crazy to see a Klarna account for a freaking Big Mac or something like that, man. You know, to each his own. I'm not trying to belittle anybody that may need these services, but just try to get smarter, man. That's what it's all about, and that's the message that I continually try to instill into you guys as well. You know, just motivating each other to make smarter decisions. Drop a comment, let me know how you guys feel about that, if you are aware of that and anything of that matter, man, or if you will use a service like that. Do you find that to be convenient, and do you find that to be of a you know, a blessing or something, or do you find that to just be like a reach, like a freaking, you know, a way to, you know, keep the economy down, man, and in debt and things of that nature? I'm just anxious to know you guys' opinion on that. But like always, if you guys like this video, do me a favor, hit that like button for your boy, man. I'm trying to build this channel up. Go ahead and drop a comment. I do talk back. Reach out to me, lifeforquan518@gmail.com. Head over to Instagram. You can follow me there, lifeforquan518. And as always, I appreciate you guys' support, baby. We going up, man. We shooting for the stars, and that's what it's all about, baby. On that note, let me head off to my Walmart to pick my order up. See you.